Welcome, cooking enthusiasts. Today I present to you baked rice, a dish that embodies the tradition and taste of Italian cuisine. Ingredients: 400 grams of rice, 150 grams of mozzarella or other melting cheese, 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 400 grams of tomato puree, 150 grams of fresh or frozen peas, 100 grams of minced meat, beef or pork or a mix, 1 small onion, 2 or 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, basil, optional, as much water or vegetable broth as needed. Start by boiling a pot of salted water and cook the rice for about half the cooking time indicated on the package. Then drain and cool it under running water. In the meantime, prepare a sauce by gently frying a finely chopped onion in olive oil. Then add the minced meat and brown it until cooked. After adding and cooking the peas in the sauce, put in the rice and mix well to evenly distribute all the ingredients. Prepare the baking dish. Grease the bottom with a little oil and pour half of the seasoned rice. Add the mozzarella cut into cubes over the rice, then cover with the remaining rice. Sprinkle the surface with grated Parmesan cheese and bake at 200 degrees Celsius until golden brown. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss our culinary delights, and for updates, visit our website. Let the rice rest just out of the oven, then serve it hot to enjoy all its flavor and stringiness. Baked rice is a staple for celebrations in many Italian homes. A dish that tastes like home and tells the story of flavors passed down from generation to generation.